Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. This video guys, will be working here on a Dodge Journey, which in some part of the world that thing is known as Fiat Fremont. Same car under two names, guys. So what we'll be showing you today, guys, if you're trying to find the relay for your ignition switch, for the ignition run relay, you have two of them, not just one. Okay, two ignition run relays. One is under the hood, one is inside the vehicle. Stay with us and we'll show you where to find both of them. If you open the hood, guys, okay, this is your fuse box. Doesn't matter which engine you have. Okay, the same fuse box will be installed on all of them. Those two things pushed over to each other, pull it up, okay. And this is, guys, okay, your relay and fuse box here. Looking at it this way, this is your layout that corresponds to what we have here. And you can see this one right here, okay, this one, it says ignition, okay, ignition run start K145. Okay, it's that big relay here, guys. We have a video on the channel that explains how to test them, but we're going to replace it, okay, get a new one and replace it now. Okay, let me go grab a new one quick. Okay, and let me show you now part numbers. Okay, but you will be able to find, guys, that relay in the description, okay, of the video below. So let's go ahead and install it now, and I'll show you where the other one is located after that. Okay, perfect. The other one is inside the vehicle, and it's on the passenger side under the glove box. Now let me, guys, tell you, we have more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe, guys. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we created this channel. You can see that our glove box is missing, but this is because, okay, we needed a little bit more room to access things so we can get there with the camera. So when you get in, okay, right here on the right side, that's where your fuse box is located. You can see you have that cap here, okay, and that's where the fuse box is. And now looking at the fuse box panel, okay, looking at the fuse box panel, you're going to see that you have, okay, that one right here that says ignition run relay K107. So these guys, okay, it's that same big relay, just like the one on the front, the same relay right here. So check this one as well. We'll have a video how to test them. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.